And I think understanding more about the historical context of klezmorim, like the klezmer does not exist in a vacuum, and also that klezmer has never been one thing. There's significant distinction between regional styles, which I think is something that is maybe downplayed for the sake of the commodification of it. Of like, we have a klezmer culture, and I think part of how I think about the music is the sound of the bass, as informed by Hungarian, Transylvanian folk music, and Romanian music. So those are the styles that I'm the non-Jewish styles that I'm most interested in, that inform how I play klezmer bass. So some things that I also check out is, listening to recordings, but also listening to the music of majority cultures. Um, so that klezmer evolved in, or would have evolved in, continued evolving in.